welcome to tutorial number 19 on Solidworks, and in this tutorial we'll be designing this figure. So we'll draw the base first using right plane. So let's start it. Click on new, double click on parts, we'll right plane sketch, and we'll use line command here. And then as you can see there's an arc here. We'll draw the arc first. Sorry, arc, click here, 3-point arc. And we will use line 2. Smart dimensions, and the total extrusion is, total length of this line from this edge to this edge is 154. So select this line and this line, 154, and this edge is 20, so we'll make it 20. And this section, as you can see from here to here, is 10. Let's make it 10, and this is 10 as well. And the radius of this arc is 28. Make it 28, and distance from the center of this arc is 54. From here to here, as you can see, is 54. So we'll select this and this, make it 54. Select, and the center of this arc is coincident to this line. I'll show you. As you can see, this arc has a center here. So we'll select it, hold Control and click there and make it coincident. And as you can see, it goes black. We have to provide the vertical relation with this arc, with this corner here. Select this point, hold Control and select this, make it vertical. Extruded boss base, click here, and now we're going to extrude this in both directions. As you can see, the total extrusion is 72. So 72 divided by 2. Here we have to extrude it 36, and direction 2, 36. As you can see, here it is 36, and in that direction as well. Click OK. The reason why we did that was to keep the right plane in the middle. So here you can see, as I click on right plane appears. So you can see this right plane is in the middle of the extrusion. So always try to keep your planes in the middle of your sketch, your figure. So it really helps. So now we using that right plane, we will draw this circle here. So we'll select this, make it sketch, click on normal tool, and then we'll use circle here. We'll draw a circle and another circle. We'll go to smart dimension. Here you can see there are 2 circles. So it will extrude this area. It will just make a hole here, but first we have to provide the dimension, and we can see here it is 18 and it's 36. So the outer circle has a diameter of 36, and the inner circle has a diameter of 18. So, and the vertical distance from the base, as you can see, is 82. Click to the base and then to the center of the circle, make it 82, and the horizontal distance is 18 plus 46 plus 54, as you can see there. So select the center and click to these and make it 18 plus 46 plus 54. Click enter, and now we can see there is a line here. There's two parallel lines. There are two lines. So let's draw those lines. We'll use line command. Okay. Let's move it upwards. And now you can see this line command is not symmetric to the center. So what we'll do, we'll use a central line. We'll draw a central line here separately. Select it, hold Control and click to the center. Make midpoint relation. Now we will use this line to provide symmetric relation to these two lines. So select this line, hold Control, select this one and click here. Make it symmetric. And the extrusion here is not extrusion. The distance from the base to the center is 28. So go to Smart Dimension, click here and in here, make it 28. And the width is 10. We'll make it 10. As you can see, our sketch goes black, but we have to cut a few things here. As you can see, we don't need this arc here, so we'll be using this section only. So using trim entities will eliminate these arcs. So there you can see. And now we are going to extrude it in both directions. Using it 27 here and 27 here. So 27 plus 27 is 54. So here you can see the extrusion here is 54. We click OK. There you go. Now we have got the circle and the hole. Now we'll draw this section, and after that we'll draw this one. So we will make a sketch on this plane because we have to draw a line here, and then we'll extrude it. So select it and sketch. Normal tool. We'll use line command from this corner to this corner. Okay, use line command again from this edge to this. Okay, as you can see, this, because we have made the sketch on this plane, so we will draw any line, it will be on this plane. So we will use another command here called convert entities. It really minimizes our work. What it does, I'll show you. So I need a closed figure. I have just two lines here, but this is not a closed figure. So what I will do is I will use this line, this edge, because I have made a sketch on this plane. I'll use this line, this edge, to make this line, to make a line over here. So what I'll do, I'll go to convert entities and I'll select this edge and I click OK. So as you can see, so the sketch is on this plane. I made this edge as a line on this plane. So I use this convert entities to do that. So I'll make a line again here. So what I'll do, I'll go to convert entities, and I will select this edge here, and I click OK. As you can see, I get a line here, and this is a closed figure. Now we have this closed figure, and we will extrude it in that direction. So we'll go to features, extrude it. So we want to change the direction, and the extrusion here is 10. Here we go. As you can see, this is the extrusion. It's perfect. Click OK. So we will learn more about these convert entities in coming tutorials. So there we go. We'll be using more convert entities in this tutorial. So we have drawn this section, as you can see. Now we will draw this rib and this one. Okay, we'll make a sketch on the right plane. Here you can see the right plane is the middle. So we'll select it, and then we'll go to sketch and make a sketch. We'll go to normal tool, and then I'll draw a line from this to this arc. There you can see, and I'll provide a tangent relation. Select the line, hold control, and click this outer circle, make it tangent. Select this line, hold control, and click here, make it tangent as well. As you can see, the line goes black. I'll do the same here, from here to this, and I'll make this line tangent to this circle. There you go. As you can see, we have drawn this section and this section as well, but to make our figure totally closed, we have just line here. What we will do is we will use convert entities, because I want an arc here. I will not go to the circle command and draw a circle here. I'll use convert entities. So select this and click OK. So as you can see, I got this arc. So there you go, you take a look. Because this sketch is on right plane, I got this arc on right plane. That's the reason. Go to normal tool again, and then we'll draw this line. I will not go to the line command. I'll use convert entities to draw this line. I'll select it. Select this, and this as well. We will trim the remaining sections later, but we will have to achieve a closed figure first. So click OK. So as you can see, we have got the line. I don't need this section. Click on normal tool, go to trim entities, trim this, and I also don't need this section, so I'll trim it. The rest of the things are necessary. As you can see, I have got a closed figure here, a completely closed figure. So guys, if you come across any kind of doubts, so please put the doubts in the comment box. I'll respond to it as soon as possible. Then we'll go to features, and then we will go to extrude boss base. And as you can see, the extrusion here is 10, but it is in this direction. So here you can see the extrusion has to be 10, but it has to be in both directions. So you can see, I'll draw a line here. You can see this is the extrusion 5 here in this direction and 5 in that direction. So I will make it 5, and I'll go to direction 2 and make it 5 here as well. So there you go. The total thickness is 10, but in both directions. It is 5 and 5. As you can see, I'll click OK. There we go. This is our figure. So now we have to draw this section, and we have to cut this section all the way through. So we will draw the sketch on this plane. This plane selected, go to sketch, click on sketch, then go to normal 2, and then we will draw an arc here. As you can see, there's an arc that has a radius of 18. So we'll draw the arc from here to here. Select, make this center coincident, but it already is coincident. So the distance here is, as you can see, the distance from this edge to this here is 6. So the arc, this is the beginning of the arc, and this is the edge, so this is the distance 6. So I'll make it 6. Select the point here and make it 6. And the radius of this arc is 18. I'll make it 18. There we go. Let's make it coincident. Coincident. There we see. It goes black, and we have to cut this section. Before we go to the extrude cut command, the first thing we have to remember is we have our sketch has to be a closed figure. This is nearly an arc. We have to close this using this. Okay, press escape. So now we get a completely closed figure, and then now we can go to extruded cut and through all. It will cut all the way through, and click OK. There you can see. Now, what is left is this circle and the fillet. So we will go to the surface, this surface here, and we'll make a sketch on this surface, because the circle is on this, because the hole is on this surface. Select it and click on sketch, normal 2. I'll make a circle here, and the diameter of this circle is, I think it's 18. Yeah, it's 18. Actually, there are two circles, as you can see. No, the diameter is 12. The distance is 18 from this edge. So we have to draw this hole, one here, and the other is on the other side. So make it 12, and the distance from this edge to the center of the circle is 18. Select this edge and click here, make it 18. And this is the vertical distance. This is the horizontal distance. The vertical distance is 46 plus 54. And as you can see, the line which it shows 46 plus 54. Select the center. Click it, and here it is 40. What was that? It is 46 plus 54. 46 plus 54. There you can see. This circle goes black, and now we'll use extrude cut all the way through all. Click OK. And now we will not make a sketch on this plane and draw a circle again. We'll use mirror command here to mirror this on that side. Go to mirror, and now it says what is the reference line you want to mirror to. So I will use the right right plane here. As you can see, the right plane is in the middle of it. So we use the right plane as the reference. We'll use in 2D sketch we used a line called mirror about. To mirror about, we used to make a vertical central line or horizontal line to mirror something. So what we'll do is we will use a right plane here to mirror about this section. So we will select the circle, no, not the circle, extrude cut, which was the hole on bodies features. Select it. As you can see, as soon as I selected it, automatically shows the preview. Click OK. Here you can see you've got two holes, and now we have to draw the fillet. Here you can see the fillet of radius 10 and the fillet with radius 3 here. Okay, we'll go to the fillet command here, and 10 radius, I'll select this edge and this edge. Click OK, and here go again, the radius is 3, and I'll select this section and click OK. There you can see. Then we'll go to this views, and then we'll click on isometric. This is the isometric view. There we go. As you can see, this figure totally matches my design. So we are missing anything? No, we are not. No, we are missing something. We are missing this section. We have to cut this section. So I'll make a sketch on this section here. Select it and make a sketch, and the normal tool, and I'll use this corner rectangle here. Select smart dimension, and then the length is 20 and the width is 10. The width is 10 and the length is 20. So now what I will do is I'll draw a central line because I have to make it symmetric. So draw a vertical line here, and then select this side, hold control, select this and then this, make it symmetric. There you can see it goes black, fully defined, and then we'll go to features, extrude cut, we'll cut it all the way through. Okay. There you can see we have achieved a complete figure. There you can see. So guys, see you in the next tutorial. If you have any kind of doubts, please leave the doubts in the comment box, and there are more tutorials coming up, and so please subscribe and like if you like the video. So see you next tutorial.